Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're in White Rock, British Columbia for the Westcoasters Daze 2026 Car Show.
Yes, we're just 5 minutes from the Canada-US border here on the West Coast. Nice little city here. Some beautiful rides on display. Let's go check some of these beauties out.
The stars are hanging low tonight, like diamonds on a gown, while silence spreads its velvet cloak across this sleepy town. The radio is quiet now, the record's put away. We've danced until the moon turned pale and ushered out the day. But even though the music's gone, I find a sweeter sound. As long as I am in your arms, the greatest song is found. Oh, your heartbeat is my favorite melody, the sweetest sound in all of history. Let the violin stop playing, let the big bands take a rest. I'll listen to the rhythm beating deep within your chest. It's a symphony of two, dear, a song for only me. Yes, your heartbeat is my favorite melody. I lay my head against your coat and close my weary eyes. Better than a cello's moan, the woodwinds when they rise. It's steady like a march of gold, it's tender as a prayer, a peaceful little lullaby that lingers in the air. No composer in the world, with all his grace and art, could ever write a masterpiece as perfect as your heart. They say that music is the food of love. Well, darling, I've been fed by every single soft vibration echoing in my head. It's the tempo of a lifetime, it's the cadence of my soul, the missing note that finally makes a broken record whole. It rises when I kiss you, then it settles soft and slow. The only radio I need is everywhere you go. Oh, your heartbeat is my favorite melody, the sweetest sound in all of history. Let the violin stop playing, let the big bands take a rest. I'll listen to the rhythm beating deep within your chest. It's a symphony of two, dear, a song for only me. Yes, your heartbeat is my favorite melody. Thump, 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 thump. It's playing just for me, in perfect time, in perfect rhyme, for all eternity. I love the way you play it, darling. My favorite melody. The first time I saw you beneath the old street lights gleam, my heart did a flip-flop Your hair like a raven, your eyes a deep ocean of blue. And right there I knew, my darling, my life started with you. We talk by the jukebox, the tunes playing soft in the air. I never imagined a beauty beyond all compare. Oh, Jenny, my love, you're the star in my midnight sky. Oh, Jenny, my love, you're the reason I reach for the high. Every beat of my heart, every breath that I take, it is true. Oh, Jenny, my love, my whole world begins and ends with you. Remember that driving, the movie was faded and dim, but all I could see was your smile from your soft tender end, her lips that could whisper a secret, a sweet gentle plea, and just holding your hand, Jenny, meant heaven to me. Through dances and soda shops, laughter and secrets we've shared, no other girl's beauty, no other girl's spirit compared. Oh, Jenny, my love, you're the star in my midnight sky. Oh, Jenny, my love, you're the reason I reach for the high. Every beat of my heart, every breath that I take, it is true. Oh, Jenny, my love, my whole world begins and ends with you. They say true love is rare, a treasure that's hard to find. But you, my sweet Jenny, have eased every doubt in my mind. With every tomorrow, my promise to you I will keep. My devotion to you, Jenny, runs endlessly deep. Oh, Jenny, my love, you're the star in my midnight sky. Oh, Jenny, my love, you're the reason I reach for the high. Every beat of my heart, every breath that I take, it is true. Oh, Jenny, my love, my whole world begins and ends with you. My Jenny, my love, forever true. Only you, yeah, my Jenny.
The world's